Hey guys, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Damilola. You've probably seen my face on YouTube for the first time. Don't worry, that's because this is my first YouTube video ever. Listen, guys, I have wanted to be on YouTube for the longest time. And just as I was in the shower this morning, I was like, how about I just record a video this morning? I think it's important to start by saying my skin type in case anyone will be interested in this particular routine. So my skin type is oily, it is acne prone, and it is very sensitive. But over the years, I've been able to like work on the acne, so I don't break out like I would in the past. However, I'm still struggling here and there with the hyperpigmentation. As a matter of fact, there was even a time I stopped using my exfoliants, retinol, and everything. Don't worry, that's a story for another day, okay? This video is just for introduction. Now that I have talked about my skin type, I think it is also necessary to say that this particular routine is my post-retinol routine. I had retinol in my routine yesterday and I used this particular retinol. I would usually use the one that has 0.5%, but I noticed it was a bit harsh for my skin, so I started using this 0.025. Remember, I said my skin is quite sensitive. Even with this 0.25, I still, like my skin barrier still gets compromised there and there, but I've been able to like work with it and yeah, it's very good for me and that's what I use and I am very comfortable with it. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I got out of the shower not quite long, so I've not done anything to my face. I will start by using this premium this premium toner from Adalabo. If you ask me, this is just a thicker toner. And I think I should also say that toners are like my least favorite skincare product. I think they're vibe, but don't worry. I'll talk about that later. Okay, so this is a thicker toner. Because it is a post retinol routine, I am focusing on just hydration and protection. That's all I'm focusing on in this routine. Just so my skin barrier is not in shambles. Okay. At this point, I think I should just clip this mic so that I can use both hands. When you are applying your skincare products, it is important that you are very gentle with the skin. For somebody like me that my skin is even very sensitive, I cannot afford to be with it. So it's important you are gentle so you don't bruise your skin, and it is important that you don't apply the next product immediately you apply the one before it. That's because you need time for the one you have used previously to settle in this to settle in the skin, so your makeup products don't pile. And yeah, mine might be a bit faster in this video. That's because I have a fan air that is doing the job. So yeah, next up is this snail mucin and peptide from Jumiso. Remember I said I'm only focusing on hydration and protection in this routine, okay? And guys, when you are using your product, I'm sure almost everybody knows this, but when you are using your dropper, or even if it's like this, make sure it's not having a direct contact with your skin. That way you don't your skin doesn't, the whatever doesn't pick up germs or whatever from your face. I also didn't mention that. Okay, I said I cleansed my face, but I didn't say what I used. Okay, so I used the CeraVe foaming cleanser. Very, very good cleanser. It does the job. I love it. Okay, so yeah, up next, this. Whatever you do, as you apply the product, make sure you extend to your ears, your neck, back of your neck area. That way, your neck will not be different from your, as your face is getting so much care, be extending into other areas just so you don't, you're not multicolored. Okay? Okay. And also, happy food. Yeah. Did you guys remember what my face looked like when I came here initially? But look at it now. And we are just two products in. For this routine, the next thing is this moisturizer from Uncover. I have been using this moisturizer for almost 2 months because that was when I switched up a lot of things in my routine. And yeah, so far so good. The moisturizer is, this is not a review video, so I'm just going to do my routine without talking to, because if you leave me, I will talk and talk about skincare. Okay. I have used enough products already, so I'll just go in with moisturizer. Honestly, for me, skincare goes little goes a long way for skincare. When you put too much, I don't know, but just for me, little goes a long way. The last product I'll be using this morning is this sunscreen from Nivea. So lightweight, so it gets the job done, and that's the most important thing. I was supposed to state in the beginning of this video that, guys, I am in no way a cosmetologist. I am not a dermatologist. I am nothing close to that. However, everything I'll be saying on this channel, or everything I have said, they are as a result of my experience over the years with skincare products, things that I have read and things that have worked for me. I feel like I have done all of these things so that some of you don't make these mistakes again, you know. And if I tell you that I have made a lot, you better believe, because I have had a consistent skincare routine since, okay, a consistent and healthy skincare routine since 2020. Yeah. Prior to that, just like some of you, I have used a lot. I have used a lot. I have done rich, but don't worry, I'll mention all of that in subsequent videos. Okay. So the last product is this sunscreen from Nivea. If you have all of this, if you use all of these skincare products and you don't use the sunscreen, sorry to break it to you, you're wasting your money. And you people know how expensive skincare products are now. Let's not even talk about that. So, for skincare, we are supposed to use 2 or 3 fingers. That's the rule, right? But yeah, 2 or 3 fingers. And guys, always remember to reapply your sunscreen. I don't remember to reapply every time, but it's okay. When I remember, I do. Okay. Yeah. So the 2 3 finger rule is basically 2 to 3 fingers of sunscreen. This is for already. Yeah. You see the way I'm applying my products? Very mindful, very cutesy, very, what's that word? Very not gra gra. Did you get me now? Yeah. Oh my god. So, guys, that is the end of my post retinal morning skincare routine. That's a mouthful. Anyways, that's the end of my routine for this morning, and I'm glad you guys are still watching till this point. In the beginning, I said I would introduce the channel as I do my skincare routine, but I kind of got, yeah, I kind of figured I might not be able to do both at the same time. But yeah, this channel is going to be about videos like this, skincare, beauty related videos. I mean, skincare, just general self care, makeup, hair, you know, because those are the things that I really enjoy talking about, and chit chat and lifestyle videos here and there. Guys, please subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, and please like this video. If you have enjoyed it, please like it so that YouTube can recommend it to other people. Okay, also please comment, let me have feedback, let me know what you feel or what you think about this video. In fact, if you are still watching, I think you should comment at this. If you are still watching now, I think you should comment, welcome to YouTube, and blow me kisses, give me the kiss emoji, like, oh my god. Yeah, so please let's put that in the comment section. And what else? Subscribe, give me a fat and juicy thumbs up. Yeah, that's when you like it. Comment, and please share. Please share. Tell people there is a new YouTuber on the block. Okay. Who am I? Guys, please subscribe, comment, like, share, and I guess I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Mwah.